This summer I stopped by the Festspielhaus again. It's one of those places that makes you quiet even if you don't plan to be. Thousands of people come here for Wagner's music, but when no one's around, you can still feel something in the air. I didn't come for the festival, I just wanted to see it as it is. The garden, the silence, the golden figures standing like memories. Some moments don't need a big reason. You just walk, you look, and you let the place tell its story. Maybe that's what I love most about exploring. Every step reminds me that beauty isn't loud. If you enjoyed this quiet moment, feel free to like, comment and share with others. Go Bike Go Exploring by bike and on foot.